Lesson 11 is about Save Asset and Cookie button. Save Asset button can be very useful when it comes to working with e-commerce platforms such as Etsy, Amazon. In this button dialog, you can save asset by URL or selector, but most cases we use selector. Now we open the element helper and copy the selector of the element you want to download. Select Extract and paste selector. You can name your file and determine the output file path. Now let's run the automation. You can see that the image has been downloaded. Next, let's try saving asset with URL instead of selector. Repeat the element helper technique, but instead of copy selector, go to attribute and copy source src. Next, extract the link. Paste the URL of asset. And now let's run the automation again. Two methods, same result. Next, cookie button. This provides some action such as import, export, and clear. By using this file path, you can export a list of cookies according to the profile name. Let's run the automation. You can see that the cookie file has been here. The principle applies to import cookie too. The clear action will erase all cookies on your profile. And that's the end of lesson 11. See you in the next lesson.